What you just heard is the Doppler effect. The Doppler effect is a simple variation of pitch of sound which helps you to visualize its origin. Like in this case, you can close your eyes and hear the car moving from your right to the left. This phenomena also happens with light and helps us to estimate many parameters. To understand this, we have to analyze it from scratch. When you look at a star in night sky with a powerful telescope, you see a semi-sharp image, and you can analyze a very few data from it like distance, luminosity, etc. But to get more details, you have to analyze what you see, and that can only be done by breaking up the light into its composite wavelengths. And now you can look at the dark bands or absorption lines, and you can get a lot more. This method is known as spectroscopy and is often done with a prism by using refraction of light. Now, observing and analyzing will soon become your favorite. And if you start to record data periodically, you will notice something weird. That is, the black lines will start to shift towards higher wavelength. That is, towards red or infrared part of the spectrum. This can only happen when the wavelength is increasing. And yes, so it is. The expansion of space pulls the wavelength, so we see a red shift. From your recordings, you can get the change in wavelength and calculate it to find the speed at which the object is moving away from you. This shifting of wavelength is known as the cosmological Doppler shift. This method can help us to find out exoplanets. But wait, what's an exoplanet? It is simply a planet of another star system. When you look at a star system with a large exoplanet orbiting a relatively small star, you will notice that as the wavelengths are shifting, they seem to wobble. That is, move left and right continuously. This happens because the star is also rotating around a common center of mass of the whole system. So you can see a red shift when it's coming towards you and a blue shift when it is moving away from you. This also happens with stars of binary system. 51 Pegasus was the first star ever observed by this method.